Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to replace the FreeCAD logo with your logo on FreeCAD drawing template. As you can see that FreeCAD logo is a default logo when you load any FreeCAD drawings. So before replacing this logo, you must have your own logo in the form of SVG file, and SVG file is a scalable vector graphic, so it does not reduce the quality once you zoom it. I have my own logo in the form of SVG file, so I will show you how you can do this. So for this drawing, if I go to here template sections, and if I go to the property here, so I can found my this template details. So simply I will open the path and I will copy this path in a notepad, and here the template which I'm using, the A4 landscape TD. So for the properties, if I go here, it is HTML document, cancel, and second is the page result. So I will these are the same paths. If we see here, so we are more interested with this SVG one, which is the template here, which we have copied in a notepad. Now for this modification, you must have the Inkspace software, which is a free and open source software which you can easily download from the internet. So now I will start my Inkspace. So here Inkspace is loading, so I will select here browse other files. So the path which you have copied, where my template is located, I will copy this and I will paste here, and I will say open. So this is the A4 LTD, so I will load in a Inkspace, so my template will be get loaded here. So this template in the form of SVG. So now we will click on this FreeCAD logo and we will remove it. Now I will save as this file in the form of SVG, and I will rename it something like _01, or I can say R1, and I will save. Now here at the template, we will give part of our template which I have modified in Inkspace. So we will go to the download, and here is our template which we have modified, and we have loaded it here. So you can see that we have removed the FreeCAD logo. Now the next part is to insert our logo here. So I have the Mac Nexus logo in the form of SVG. So in a tech draw workbench, you will see here icon insert SVG symbol. So I will insert my SVG symbol. So here is my SVG file, and I will say OK. So it has been OK, means it has been loaded here. So now if you try to move my logo, you won't be able to move until and unless you on the frame. So here I have on the frame. Now I will select this one and I will drop here. So as you can see that it is going out of the border. So I will again select the frame and I will give here a scale of 0.7, and I will say OK. And I will off the frame. So this is how I have replaced the FreeCAD logo and inserted my logo in FreeCAD. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like my method of teaching and if you want to appreciate my work, then you can support me. For more information, visit the video descriptions. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.